She gotta move around and all that while they coming out of her. I know, Mama. I know. I'm trying to push her to keep her off my blanket. Oh. No, no, please, baby. Please don't come over here, man. Pepper, he's trying to do the titty. Oh my God, he's about to fall over to my bed. Pepper! Pepper! But I don't know if that's just yeah, you know what I'm saying? She licking him. That's my bag with my school stuff. I left my lunch, everything. Lunch because I was supposed to be, I got my over that way. Home last night. It's all black too. Damn, the recording.